Hi kitchen friends! In today's episode, I'll be sharing with you another easy recipe, which is the chocolate muffins. And for our dear Italian friends, I've included a translated recipe in the description below. So, let's get started! Now, let's sift the flour. Add the baking powder and salt. Now let's bloom the cocoa powder. Blooming your cocoa powder will enhance the flavor that will give you a more chocolatey flavor. And this is how to bloom your cocoa powder. You just add hot water into your cocoa powder. All you need to do is to keep on mixing until the cocoa and the hot water are well combined. Then add sugar. Now add the oil. Then add the eggs one at a time. Then continue mixing until well blended. And add the milk. Now gradually add the flour mixture. Now let's add flavoring to our chocolate mixture by adding the orange zest with the choco chips and some flour. And voila, here's our Bill Beauties. I do hope you learned something from this video. So please stay tuned. I've got a lot more to share with you. Simple and yummy recipes. And of course, shout out to Monica, Emanuela, and Loredana of Rieti, Italy, our Italian friends. So until next, please do take care. Stay well. God bless. Bye.